I told you I was going to do this.
I know.
So we're now in Sydney waiting for our train, and Lana's doing her normal... Where the
Panic
heck?
attack. Oh.
Yeah, instead of me doing it, she's doing it. We switched.
Yep, we switched.
I'd like to go on the actual train. Know where the train is, we have no idea.
20 minutes. 25 minutes. On the screens.
Excuse me, ladies, I'm just guessing. Whilst I'm in the dark, have you just been to China?
No.
No.
You haven't?
No.
Alright, so I've just been to Chengdu and they're all walking around with a panda.
We're going to the K-Fest, the Korean festival,
Oh, right.
tonight,
Okay.
so...
A Korean festival?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're getting up dressed in... Alright, okay, well it worked then. Except I was the wrong side of the border.
We like to go to China.
Yeah. Yeah. I wouldn't recommend where I went to anyway.
Oh, okay.
Well, I would if you were there as a tourist, and I stayed in Chengdu, which is like the panda sanctuary, and the main attractions are the pandas there in Sichuan province. But 15 million people in just a small place. It's awful. Yeah. But yeah, the pandas were very interesting.
Where?
So,
We're learning Sydney because we've never been here before.
where are you from then?
Townsville?
Oh yeah. You might have been on my flight then. Did you swap at Brisbane?
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't see you on that. Yeah.
It's sort
Kind of hard
different.
to miss.
Yeah, well, I'm surprised I missed it before. Yeah. I've been in North Brisbane.
The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Town Hall via Museum. First stop, Mascot, then Green Square, Central, Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard and Town
I
Hall.
need air conditioning down here.
Don't need as much as you though. Townsville.
Yeah.
Townsville.
You live in aircon.
You've been to Sydney before then? Or?
No,
No.
I've lived in Brisbane, I've lived in Townsville, I've actually never been to Sydney.
Alright. Alright. So, live the other side of the world, so that's not bad, is it?
Well, I've been pretty much all over the rest of Australia except this side, so...
Where are you staying, do you know?
A hotel just down from the concert hall. It's like 2 streets down.
Oh, it'll be fun here.
Kind of lucky, my mum works in the hotel business, so she got us a pretty cool hotel.
Yeah, I was going to say that sounds pretty good. Yeah, I've got a spot at Wynyard, I think.
By this, pretty much everything goes from Central somewhere, so...
Yeah, it's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, I kind of learnt that from Brisbane. It's like, well, Central is every train stops there, so you just work from there.
Wynyard looks good to me. You can just hop across and go to where I'm going.
That's our map.
And what's
Blurry.
what's it after the Korean festival? So what's going?
12 bands from Korea. Their top bands are coming to Australia and doing a main
With
performance.
Korean, do you know about it or you
No, we're totally into them.
into what Korean music?
Yeah.
How do you work that one out? Then have you been there? And
No, they have this thing on SBS on every Sunday called K-pop, J-pop, and we listen to that. Plus, my sister watches a lot of the J-dramas and Korean dramas and everything like that from over there, and we sort of just got into the music from those.
so this is South Korea, then, I assume. Well, have a good time.
Thanks.
I won't keep you any longer. You have a good time.
We get to meet interesting people.
Yes, we do. Sydney, it's cool.
All stations to Campbelltown and then Macarthur.
No, I was like, map. Yeah, I don't know what I'm zooming on. The perch over there. Yes, I just took a picture of Lana's foot. Brilliant. Well, I swerved around. The first thing there was your butt.
Stop staring at my ass, it's just creepy, okay?
Wait. I'll just leave that there. Oh, thought you grabbed mine.
Waha! Ah, my turn.
Basically, I don't always do it, so I think it gives you more experience when you do your own.
Look, train tracks. Don't jump on them. Auntie! No! Bad Chibi! Stay behind the yellow line. This is me kicking Chibi up the arse.
Okay, very good. Got security or something coming.
Oh, they're just train people. Look, that's a silly little Sydney thing that we're not gonna go see.
Sydney. Opera House.
Yes.
Oh, mine actually going up there.
I would. It's a big giant building that would probably make me very tired climbing, just like the stupid pebble in the middle of Australia. Blind, I'm blind, I'm blind.
Yeah, it shows. I'm so used to a bit screen because of my better.
We are waiting for the train, and I am bored.
So it's Chibi, because you take pictures of everything. Oh, her hair's cool. That's our front hair. If
Cool,
you want to
people.
zoom, use that button.
Ooh, I can go in and out.
Oh god, it's getting her a new toy.
This is the interesting people of Sydney. Ah! And we're going to scare the living hell out of all of them. Yes, we are. That is our job. Look, this is too. Closer.
And close up with the panda.
What?
Oh god, I take bad pictures of myself.
How long do we have to wait?
The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Town Hall via Museum. First stop,
Hello?
Mascot, then Green Square,
Yes.
Central, Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard and Town Hall.
Which way will it come? That way or this way?
Tell me about. I'm guessing
You have to come.
that way.
So videotape it coming like my first train ride. That's not on the thing.
I'm pretty sure because that's the way the doors would open. I don't know, it depends. Emergency exit.
Let's see. Please say anything on my page.
I don't know. Look, if the walls cave in, we will die.
I really thought of Cloverfield.
What's that?
Basically they try to escape.
That way.
They try to escape these creatures,
Yeah.
but the only problem is they're following them underground, and it starts caving in on them. But and it's filmed all behind a video.
Jimmy's first train!
Ready to get?
Oh, look, train!
That's a level. That's so cool.
Oh wow, I've never been on a double train before.
Is it on?
It goes down and up. Dude, that rocks.
Oh. Okay, through the normal level, bottom level, top level.
I don't know, how do you turn this thing off?
The Tracy did either button.
The what button?
The train on platform 1 goes to Town Hall